Okay, Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Kenya, and Kenya is here 9 months after her surgery with Dr. Siegel. And Dr. Siegel's on vacation this week with his family, so she came in, and I'm the one doing the video here. But smile on her face. She's got her hair in some very cool styles, and I'll let her talk about it. But Kenya, you can see from the before pictures, and we looked at before, big difference from where you were. How do you feel about your hair, and has anybody said anything about your hair?
Yes, actually, because I never really pulled my hair back from my face before. I'd always have it was very limiting on like the hairstyles I could do. And so, and then when and then you start resorting to other styles that actually make it worse, with the weaves and all that stuff. And I'm not even, having to do all that. I can wear my natural hair, pull my hair back. Experiment a lot more with different things.
Now I noticed that you have your hair in some braids. So
Miami vacation braids.
That's right. But she's doing it in a way that's protective. So she's doing it where it's loose to the skin and it's not going to cause any more further damage. So
you can try to tug it kind of at the root. You can pull it out, and it's not like touching the scalp.
Exactly. But you just have to be aware of that. Be careful. Go to someone that knows what they're doing, or do it yourself in a way that's good. I'm going to kind of show off your hair a little bit. I'm going to put your chin, perfect, right there. Now look at the difference between before. Before, she really didn't have any hairline here in the front. So this is all recreated. And I'm going to have you look that way if you would, Kenya. Now this is really a big difference. So you can see now, all new hair. So you try to do that 9 months ago, she wouldn't be doing this hairstyle. She'd be starting to covering it up.
Yeah.
And then let's do the other side. Look the other way. Wow. Huge difference. Huge difference. Awesome. So has anybody been saying anything? I mean, has anybody noticed? Your mom notices. Okay.
Definitely. Well, before no one noticed because I didn't really show it. So you're not going to see that.
Okay.
So, my mom was like, oh my God, your hair, it's a lot thicker. And I didn't even tell, she didn't know at first. When I came back, I told her what I had done.
And it comes in gradually.
You didn't need to do that. That's just it. Now she's like, wait a minute.
Yeah, exactly.
I see the difference now.
Difference.
So, it sounds crazy at first, but she totally thinks it's amazing. She's supportive.
Overall, happy you did it?
Oh, definitely.
No regrets?
No regrets.
Awesome. And she still has more density to come. Up to a year, you can continue to get more and more density. So thank you, Kenya, for sharing your story. And I promise you this will help somebody make their decision. Somebody's going to be able to relate to you.
Yeah.
Very happy for you, and congratulations.
Thank you.
You got it.
All right.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.